Wow, I really need to redo my nails. Good morning. It is Monday, the 19th of January. I just woke up. I need to get ready. These are the first words I've spoken today. I need to get new earrings because I keep losing earrings in the ocean, which is not good. I've also been not really wearing blush lately. I think it's just because it's summer and I'm naturally a little bit more pigmented. Haven't really been wearing blush, proceeds to put blush on. Okay, outfit option number one. I don't know if I'm in love with it. These little capris. They're like capri leggings. They're actually quite cute because they have lace. I love me some lace. The weather's weird because it's windy and it's supposed to be quite overcast and cold, but also it's summer and it's warm outside. I don't know, I'm just confusing myself more. Finished outfit with belly flats, bag.
Hey vlog. We are at the beach each. I don't know.
So this man just went past.
We're gonna go jump off the wharf because why not?
Period.
No, it's fun.
Hey vlog. So I'm back home. Jade has gone back to her house. I had something to eat and now I want to paint my nails. I got this new brown shade and I've been really enjoying the color brown lately, so we're gonna see what it looks like on my nails. That did not take me very long at all, but this is the first coat. I think it's kind of cute. It's a little bit darker than I was expecting. I don't know. I think. I also cut my nails, so they're looking quite short for me. You can't see my finger tips, if that makes sense. Good morning vlog. I'm hating my outfit. But I also am hating the rest of my clothes, so. It's raining today, which is just great. I don't like the rain. This is what New Zealand summer is all about. It just rains. There's not much that I'm doing today. I'm just hanging out with my mum. I'm also not hating the nails as much. They're kind of growing on me. It's same but different, you know? Hey guys, I'm in town at the moment, and I just need to pick up some things for school. I just got highlighters. Oh. So I'm back home now, and I think I started giving a school stationery haul in the car, and then I got rudely interrupted. First of all, highlighters. I love me some highlighters. And then instead of like getting specific books for every subject, because most of my subjects this year, because most of my subjects this year are literacy based, I just get like divided and lined books. I get 4 of them, so 1 for each term. I need to get more pens, and I really like these ones. I don't know where the cap's gone, but I love these pens. I pretty much only write in black pen for school. I don't do blue. I'm like one of those people that will, if I mess up a word, I'm ripping out the paper. If I just misspell a word, then it's just misspelled. Because I try not to waste paper now, because I write so much. Yeah, but today's a very boring day to be vlogging. Also, it's like 4 p.m. so I'm probably not going to do anything else with the rest of my day. Hey vlog! So it's finally stopped raining, and Jade's gonna come over tonight. I'm very excited. We're just gonna hang out, make dinner, because I haven't seen anyone in like a solid 2 days. Which doesn't seem like that long, but I've been stuck in my house and there's only so long I can scroll on my phone for. So, but yeah, just thought that I should update y'all because it's been a minute. And yes.
For ages, but not anymore.
So I almost dropped you in the chicken that we're cooking. Hello?
Oh,
At this point, I'm just gonna move.
hey vlog!
Hey vlog! Jade's here, we're making dinner.
We're making
It's called nasi goreng. It's like a chicken fried rice.
chicken fried rice
Thing.
type shit.
Yeah, type shit.
Very excited, and then we're gonna jump off the wharf at sunset later. It's gonna be so pretty.
It's been raining really heavily for the past like day. Like yesterday was really bad. I was a little bit scared to go outside my house.
Mm-hmm.
There's like a bunch of landslides and stuff around New Zealand at the moment.
It was actually crazy.
Yeah, so really grateful to not have been in the mount.
Yeah.
I was wondering why the chicken's not cooking. It's because the stove's on like the lowest heat possible. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Wait, tomorrow night.
Hey gang, hey vlog! We're in a tree. We're about to jump down.
Sitting for like an hour.
Yeah, we've just been sitting in this tree talking, which is quite cute. Hey vlog, we're at the wharf. As you can see, we're about to jump off and it's kind of cold, but that's okay.
Hopefully it's warm. It's a beautiful sunset.
Let's just gaslight them.
It's a bit of colour down here.
Yeah, over there. I don't know if y'all can see, but she's kind of pretty, I swear. Anyways, we're gonna jump off now. It's cold! It's not warm! And then what is it? Okay. We swam, it's kind of cold. Oh, is she gonna... Oh! Oh, she's floating away. Heike debating if we should get a baguette.
Debating if we should get it. Just listen, ASMR. Fuck, I can't even open it.
Crisp.
Fucking crisp.
Okay, we're at Jade's house and I love her mirror. She has this lip stain and I want to try it because I've never tried lip stain before. Do you like put it around the outside?
Okay. I don't know how people do this. I completely just failed at that. I think it's because my lips aren't big enough.
That's not even all of it. It goes deep.
I look insane, but...
Oh, you gotta wait like... It probably dries in like 5, but you could wait 10 if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna try this one. She looks the most appetizing. But also,
She's beautiful.
I love this. I love huge applicators. Do you guys think there was a change? I don't think so. My lips are quite small and they don't plump very well. So I've just realized we haven't even told you the plan. Jade and I had coffee today, or like had matcha, and just had a little catch-up day. Even though I've seen her most days this week, it's good. I love my Jade. And we're about to go to Heather's house and make dinner and stay the night there. So we just had brunch at Solara, which is Bus Yellow Car. Now we're gonna go to Save Mart and do some thrifting, op shopping type shit.
Heather there?
Yes.
Okay, let's get out. Oh my god, I thought it was my bio teacher. I just had like PTSD.